guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make video and upload my video again. Okay, and it's about unboxing guys. Because I have new toys for my dolls. Okay, and this is my new toys look. By the way, that's my cat, okay? And I want to read this. Warning, choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3 years. Look, this. Okay. And toys made in Indonesia. Okay, let's open. But I haven't bring my scissors. Oh, there's part open. A small part open, guys. Why it can be opened? I don't know. Okay, let's open it. Wow! Look! My new toys. A little hard. A little hard, but it's okay. Nice! Look! Ta-da! Wow! So cool! So cool! Wait. Wow, there's the fridge. Look. Yeah. It's still empty. It's still empty, guys. Ice cream! Guys, look. There's ice cream. Ta-da! Tiny ice cream. Wait. Why it has a hole? Look. Why it has a hole, guys? Oh, I don't know, but it's okay. And then this is lemon, or I don't know. Maybe it's lemon. Yeah, this is lemon. Okay, fresh juice. This is fresh juice. Wait, but I don't know why it has a hole. All the drink has a hole, and the ice cream too. Okay, and there's happy cooking. This is the table, but why the table is so small? I use it for my doll, and my doll is big. Look, my doll is big, and the table is tiny. Alright, no problem. And there's coffee. I don't know why the coffee has a hole too. Okay, no problem. And there's, what is it? Grapes, maybe? I don't know why the color is red. Okay, next. Donut! Look, guys, donut. I think this is green tea donut. And this is strawberry. And this is cherry. And this is, I don't know. Okay. And there's toast bread. Oh. And there's a jug for a drink. Wow, there's cake, guys. Look, this is a cake. Oh no, it's full. And there's a cake too. I don't know why the cake is like this. Look. Okay, no problem. And we have this. Ta-da. This is the glass. Ta-da. I think this jug is for this glass, maybe. Okay. Oh, look. There's the there's the place for this, I think. Ta-da. Okay. And oh, there's milk too, guys. Alright. And why there's milk the same? Oh, there's the other. Wait. I don't know why this same. I don't know, maybe. And there's juice freeze juice. Look, this is grapes, guys. Okay. Wow, look, there's coffee too. Ta-da! This is lemon and this is orange. This is lemon and this is orange. Alright. And there's what again? I think just this. Okay, guys, it's empty. And now let's fill the fridge. First is the ice cream. I will put it here, guys. Or put it here. Oh, no, I can't. Okay, just here. And this is the ice cream. And then I want fresh juice here. Or maybe just here. And fresh juice again. Wait. I think this is strawberry or cherry. I don't know. Look. Is this strawberry or cherry? I don't know. And there's blueberry too. And then milk. Look, guys, it's milk. Strawberry milk. Yeah, I will put it here. There. And then coffee. Who likes coffee? I like it, but now, no. I will put the coffee with the milk. And then the lemon drink. This. Oh, it's full. Look, it's the lemon drink. Ta-da. Lemon. 100% fresh juice. And I will put it here, guys. Ta-da. And then this orange juice. I will put here with the lemon. And then there's a milk too. I will put it here with the coffee too. Oh no, okay. No problem. Wait, yes. I think I can do like this. The coffee with the coffee and the milk with the milk. Good idea. Okay, it's done. I think just this. How about the toast? Where can we put the toast? I think we will just put the toast here. Okay, guys. By the way, we will fill it with the donut first. After that, the toast. I think I can still put something here, but I don't know what is it. Wait. Like this. Okay. Oh wow. But it can fall. Alright, I think I will put this here. But I don't know where should I put this toast. The bread. Where should we put it? And where should we put this cake? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, I see. We put the toast here. Like that. And then this first. there's four glass. There's four glass. Okay. Four cup. And this is the jug. Jug. Oh no, it's full. Okay, no problem. This is. I will put it again. I will assemble it. I mean not assemble, but okay. And this is the jug, guys. Fresh drink. Really, it's a fresh drink. Look, it's empty. There's no fresh water or something, maybe. Ta-da! Where should we put this? I think just there. Where should we put this cake? I think we can put this on the fridge. Okay, let's put it on the fridge. I think it can't fit. Oh, I think just like this. And this is fit, guys. Fit. Ta-da! And we got grapes. But I don't know where should we put these grapes. We can put the grapes here, right? I don't know to what place. What is this things? Okay. Ta-da! This is my fridge. Let's close it. Ta-da! 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 This is my fridge. And there's coffee, there's milk. There's coffee, there's milk, and there's cake. This is, I think, chocolate cake. And there's fresh juice. And this is almost full, guys. My fridge is almost full. And this is fresh juice. This is, what is grapes. Grapes. This is grapes. 100% natural juice. Okay. Keep fresh. Keep fresh. Right. Let's put it. And fresh juice again. Wait. What is this? What flavor is this, guys? This is maybe strawberry. Look, guys. There's strawberry, cherry, and what is this? Blueberry maybe, or grapes. I don't know too. Maybe the flavor is mixed, and the grapes is not mixed. Okay. And this is the milk. This is the milk, and I will refill this. Orange juice. Canned juice. This is canned juice. Ta-da. Orange juice. Fresh what? Fresh pineapple juice. Wait! I don't know what is this. Is this fresh pineapple juice? This is orange, but why? This is pineapple? I don't know. Okay. And this is lemon. Look, guys. Oh, it's full. And this is lemon. This is can too. Can. Lemon can. Ta-da. can drink lemon. 100% fresh juice. Okay, fresh lemon juice. This is right. This is fresh lemon juice. But I don't know why if the orange juice is fresh. I don't know what. Fresh what? Guys, look. I don't know it's fresh what. If lemon is right. Fresh lemon juice. But if orange, why pineapple? I don't know. By the way, that's my cat. The name is Tika. Okay. Guys, I don't know why. This is lemon. This is lemon. It's right. It's lemon. And this is fresh lemon juice too. But look, this is orange. This is orange. This is orange. But why? Can you see? Can you see this? Wait, this. I don't know what is it. I cannot read it. I don't know too why. Fresh pineapple juice? This is orange, not pineapple. I don't know. Okay. Next. And there's cake, chocolate cake. And this is strawberry cake. Hi. Okay. Let's put it again. Here. Nice. Okay. And then there's ice. Wait. Why the ice cream? Huh? Why the ice cream fall? I don't know. Okay. Ta-da! And this is ice cream. Ice cream, guys. I don't know what ice cream it is. Wait. Is there ice cream? The color is black. Look, this is the color of this ice cream is black, and this is brown. I think if brown is chocolate, but I don't know if black. Oh no. Okay, and there's Mrs. like chocolate chips, maybe. Okay, let's put it again. Put it back. Ta-da! Ching. Look, guys, my new fridge and my new fridge and my new toys. Ta-da! There's donut, green tea donut, and toast, and grapes, and this. Okay. Oh, I forget this the table. Happy cooking. This guys. This is happy cooking. Okay, guys. Maybe just like that my video. Thank you for watching and bye bye guys. See you next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.